The saint who doubted everything. High in the misty peaks of the northern valley, there lived a monk named Kavi. The villagers called him a saint because he spent his days in total silence, clad in simple faded saffron robes. He fasted for weeks, maintained flawless posture, and never broke his gaze from the horizon. To the world, Kavi was a picture of absolute peace. But beneath his still chest, a fierce storm was raging. Kavi was a saint who doubted everything. He doubted the scriptures he copied, he doubted the chants of his teachers, and most of all, he doubted if true peace actually existed. Or if it was just a beautiful lie invented to comfort a broken world. Every morning, Kavi watched the pilgrims climb the rocky trail, their eyes bright with faith, seeking his blessing. Their blind certainty only deepened his secret torment. One stormy night, the weight of his doubt became too heavy to carry. He left his small oil lamp burning, walked out of his stone cell, and climbed higher into the frozen heights where the wind howled like an angry beast. Standing at the edge of a massive cliff, he looked up at the dark, chaotic sky and shouted into the void. If there is truth in this life, show me a sign. If not, let the wind blow away my doubts forever. The storm did not stop, nor did a voice echo from the clouds. Instead, as Kavi turned back in despair, he noticed a faint, warm light flickering inside a shallow cave beneath a twisted pine tree. Sitting by a tiny glowing campfire was a traveler with no blanket and no shelter, wearing nothing but a worn, threadbare cloak. The traveler's face was deeply lined with age, yet his eyes held the depth of a calm, motionless ocean. It was Gautam Buddha. Resting quietly in the heart of the storm, Kavi threw himself at the Buddha's feet, his voice trembling with anger and grief. Master, I have spent my whole life searching, but I am hollow. I doubt the path, I doubt the light, I doubt everything. Am I broken? Gautam Buddha did not look disappointed. He simply picked up a dry branch and gently poked the dying embers of the fire, causing a small cloud of glowing golden sparks to dance into the cold air. Doubt is not a sin, Kavi, the Buddha said softly, his voice cutting through the roar of the wind. Doubt is the fire that burns away the dead wood of blind belief. Only when you question the false walls you have built can you see the sky that has always been above you. The Buddha reached out and placed a single drop of rainwater from a nearby leaf onto Kavi's open palm. Do not seek a world without doubts. Seek the one who is watching the doubt. In that quiet moment, as the icy drop rested on his warm skin, the storm inside Kavi suddenly cleared. He realized that his doubts were just like the dark clouds passing across the mountain peak. They could hide the summit for a night, but they could never destroy the mountain itself. He didn't need to find answers, he just needed to stop fighting the questions. Kavi smiled, a true, deep peace filling his chest for the very first time. The learning: a mind that has never doubts can easily be blinded by dogma. True wisdom does not mean having all the answers. It means having the courage to stand still in the middle of the question. So if you like that story, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe us. Thank you.